All right, we're back. That's part 2 of the video. I had to split it up a little bit because it was an overnight thing and it would have been too long to make, one full-length video. So basically I've let it set and I've got this set up, that set up over here, as well as underneath. I know the sun's kind of blinding, but it really looks good. There are a few spots like right in here that I may have a little concern whenever I go to sand it down. I don't exactly know how well it's gonna sand. This side over here just looks immaculate. Right here I'm gonna sand that down. I'm gonna trim the edges, but as far as everything looks good. So let me get to doing this before it gets dark. Try to get this made into the whole part 2 video so that I don't have to go into another day worth of it. But if I do, I will. So let me get going. Alright, so I'm back. Yes, I see the spot right there. I'll explain that in a minute. First, this side, especially around this opening, as you see there's just a little more right there. I'm gonna go through and wipe it all clean and stuff. Maybe even take a little damp rag just to get some of this stuff off. I'll explain that in just a second. Side over here, yeah, I know it looks a little bit rough, but it's actually, other than a few minor little spots, it's pretty good. One of the things that let's see here, did get the bottom side, that turned out real good. But like I said, explanation. So I don't know what happened, but as I was kind of getting this one squared away, I ended up, I guess I dug a little bit too much by accident and got this spot right here a little soft. Now I probably will go back and just add a little bit to it. This is a little bit still a little bit of an indentation here, not as much as it was. So I mean, honestly, I could cover all this up and you'd never know it, because the pad should be enough to go in there and cover it without it being seen. But just filling it up a little bit and kind of, yeah. I mean, you live and you learn. And this is my first time doing it. It went on pretty good from what I had to say. Pretty much everything turned out real good, especially where I had trimmed that out to match. That side definitely thickened it up right here. It was a little bit soft and you can still see it flexing, but what it is the top layer, if I can get it here, the top layer of this, I'm trying to see the best way to show y'all. Yeah, it's kind of coming apart. So it's the top layer of this coming apart from the bottom right here. That's one of the things that had it a little bit soft too. But I mean, as far as if I put a cover over that tomorrow, it would be solid. You'd never even know it. But yeah, definitely the bottom turned out good. Let's see if I can flip this over. Like I said, I'll tidy that up, and I'll probably have that in the end of this video, because this video is gonna be another multi-day part 2 ordeal. But yeah, this turned out good, pretty much smooth all the way across. I ain't worried too much about this socket. It's gonna be at the top. You won't see it as long as it's not like bulging out to cause any issues. But you know, that little bit right there is raised up, but that's fine. I want a little bit more thickness here, because if you remember, and actually I think the split was right there. Sorry, I think the split was right there. But either way, I wanted all this thickened up a little bit so that it got rid of that split and kept it solid, and that's exactly what it did. So I'm not worried about the looks, just as long as it works. But let me get that other one patched up. Probably be another day or so I get it patched up, and then I'll clean it off again real good, and this thing will be ready for some material. So we'll see what happens. All right, so basically we're gonna end out this video by showing a little bit of work I had done up. Sanded it down. This side came out pretty good. I mean, you see a few spots there, but to the touch it's pretty much smooth. I mean, I'd cover it up and you'd never even be able to tell the difference. Same with over here. This right here came out phenomenal. Same with the underneath side. And again, I'm not as worried about the bottom showing, only because, or well, that would be the top, only because of it being at the top of the roof. But this here, I got that one spot cleared, and then some of this other stuff kind of started peeling away, but it's just at the surface. So it's just that top layer right here of like this fiberglass that's coming up. So before it got too deep, especially like right here at the edges, to get it all kind of smooth out in the same level. That's basically what I'm done with. I mean, but it hardened up, worked like it was supposed to, like the direction said on the box. Next step is getting this covered up with a black headliner, some padding and black headliner. But yep, like I said, that's just the top layer. So other than that, just starting to peel a little bit, that's like perfect. Right there you go, 3M Bondo repair, fiberglass repair kit. Remember, like, comment, subscribe. See you soon.